Hi, parents. Welcome to Español. My name is Alba Cavazos, and I am your kids' Spanish teacher. I teach Spanish for 6th grade to 8th graders. I teach Spanish for 6th graders, which is Spanish exploratory, Spanish for 7th graders, which is year-round, and it's Spanish 1, and it's high school credit. And I also teach 8th grade for Spanish, that it's Spanish 2, and it's also high school credit. I am originally from Mexico, and this is my 6th year here at Creighton Middle School. So right now, I know that some of you have some questions, so I'm gonna show you where to find some assignments, where to find the assignments, or where to find the course requirement for my class. So here we go. Let me share this. Okay, so if you go to Teams, your students, obviously this is open house, but you should have whatever class your students attend. So you go to the general channel, and on the general channel, you go to files. Under files, you're gonna find a PDF that it's called Cavazos. So if you click there, and the students already know where to find it. So if you click there, you're gonna find the course requirements here, and you're gonna see the 3 course requirements. So the first one is for Spanish exploratory, the second one, Spanish 1, so that's 7th grade, and the third one, Spanish 2 for 8th graders. So just take a look for the one that it's for your class, for your kids. And another thing that I want to show you is where to find the assignments, because this is a very common question. Ms. Cavazos, where are the assignments? Some of the assignments that the students have in my class are here under this tab that it's called assignments. So right now I only have a sample here, but I want you to see what the students would see. So here's a sample, due yesterday. So you can see the name of the assignment and when it was due, and obviously you can see if that's something that they already turned in or not. Okay, so I use this assignment for their either classwork or homework or what have you, but I also use this platform or this website that it's called Seesaw. Seesaw, I really like this website or this app because you can have it on your phone or on a tablet as well. And it's very very friendly, very user-friendly. So students are already know how to use it. They know how to answer either a worksheet or to record their voice or make some videos there, and they can send it back to me. I mean, they can send it to me. I can give them feedback, send it back to them. So it's very cool to use Seesaw, especially for students in a second language setting. So that's one of the pages that we use. Also, quizzes and tests. When are they? Most of my tests are on Fridays. So during the week, we go over the content, and Friday we have our quiz or tests or whatever. Also on Fridays, we have RTI. So RTI, it's a specific channel, and I'm going to show you where to find it because some students are still having problems. If you go to Teams again, you will see all their classes, and you're going to find one that says either RTI Fridays Cavazos for E1 or Cavazos RTI for E2. So Cavazos E1, I divided, or most related arts teachers divided their classes in 2 blocks, E1 and E2. We have around 160 students, so it's easier for us to just have blocks, and it's easier for them to come during a certain time. So for the students that are on their elective 1 in my class, they can come here from 2 to 2:45. And if they are on my second elective, they can come to E2 on Fridays. But it doesn't matter. I mean, if they don't find it, I always tell them to go to the left and send me a text on the general chat. That way, it's easier for me just to see it, and I can either give them a call, because sometimes I'm jumping from one meeting to another because I don't know where they're gonna be. So I just tell them, just send me a text if you don't see me, or I'm always here. So just send me a text and I'll call them. I'll call you. So that's RTI. Sometimes I ask them to come from Monday through Thursday. So if that's the case, they can either give me a call or just a text on the chat as well. That's the best way of communication for me, because it pops on my phone and it's easier for me just to go back and check and tell them, hey, see their message and reply back. And one of the things that I've been doing is that, I mean, I try to be available for everyone. I know these are crazy times, and I usually have my phone with me. So if I see a text from them, I can just text them back. So that's the easiest way to contact me for students. I mean, you can always do that too. If you have a question or anything, you can send me a text there on your kid's computer. Another way to contact me, obviously, is through an email. Okay, so you can send me an email to alba.cavazos, and that's gonna be, I'm gonna be checking my emails. Usually I check them between 2 to 3:45 during RTI. That's the time for me to plan and to go through my emails. So I have classes back to back, so that's my time when I can do that. But if you need something like faster, just send me a text like I told you where to find it. My email address is alba.cavazosperez. Yes, they have my 2 last names, cavazosperez@richland1.org. alba.cavazosperez@richland1.org. And I hope to see you soon. I really miss seeing my kids' faces, and we can only hope for the best. So see you soon, guys. Adios.